Hello people of the internet, my name is Jamie and I'm just trying to live my best nerd life. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I think I've got quite a good eye for getting a nice bargain. And today I think I just outdid myself. I was wandering around my local game shop, as some of my subscribers know, I do very often, and I noticed that they had several t-shirts for amazingly low prices. Don't know why they had these on. I assume they weren't selling well, but when I talked to the assistant behind the desk, he mentioned that since they've reduced them to this price, they were flying off the shelves, and I'm not surprised at all. I managed to find 3 official Rick and Morty t-shirts for just £3 each. Usually they retail at $12.99 each, so yeah, that's a saving of over 75%. Pretty damn happy with that. First off, we have the adventures of Pickle Rick. Let's open it. And there we have it. Smells a bit weird, but obviously that'll wash out. Next one. Okay, this one is another Pickle Rick t-shirt and it just says, "I'm Pickle Rick." Pretty damn awesome. And then last but not least, I have a Anatomy Park one, so obviously this is a parody of Jurassic Park. Now that is pretty damn disgusting, but I love it. And these I think are, yeah, they're the Gildan soft style ring spun ones, so they're pretty decent. Right, let's try them on. And there we have it, all 3 of them tried on. They fit quite nice. I got a large size. I could probably have done with a medium, but hey, why not? They're only £3. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and can you tell me which of the 3 t-shirts you like the best and which one you would buy? And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends if you like this video. It really helps me a lot.